Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.